What's up guys? Day one in Los Angeles. Today I'm going to be going with my friend Nathan and Michelle, another friend of mine, and the three of us, we're going to be checking out some of the houses in Beverly Hills. They've got open houses, so we're going to go through some of these million-dollar mansions, all the way up to $20 or $30 million mansions. So it's going to be pretty exciting to see the luxury lifestyle that some of these guys are living. But first, you probably want to check out the living arrangement here. So let's go ahead and give you a little montage tour and show you around. Alright, so while at these houses, I'm actually going to be talking to the real estate agents to see if they let me come film videos for them and hopefully break into that niche of doing house tour videos and drone videos for some of these luxury mansions. So if you guys are ready, let's go ahead and let this amazing day begin. Check it out.
Where we at right now? Rodeo Drive, Beverly Hills.
Rodeo Drive.